Starting a new year often comes with the pressure of setting resolutions. But let's be honest, how many of those actually stick? And instead of relying on fleeting promises, why not adopt a powerful, foolproof method to manifest the life you want in 2025? This is about creating lasting change without the burden of resolutions. Let's look into how you can align your energy, intentions, and actions to make 2025 your most life-changing year yet. Resolutions often feel rigid and overwhelming, setting you up for failure if you fall short. Instead, focus on setting clear, flexible intentions. Intentions are rooted in growth rather than perfection. For example, instead of saying, "I'll go to the gym every day," shift to, "I intend to take better care of my body." This reframing removes the pressure while keeping your goals in sight. Writing your intentions down amplifies their power. Use statements like, "I intend to attract financial stability," or "I aim to nurture meaningful relationships." Keep these affirmations somewhere visible to reinforce your focus. Align your intentions with your core values. If family is important, prioritize time with loved ones. If creativity fuels you, make space for artistic pursuits. By aligning your intentions with what truly matters, you create a sustainable path forward. Manifestation begins with releasing what no longer serves you, both physically and emotionally. Start with your surroundings. A clutter-free environment promotes mental clarity and symbolizes readiness for new opportunities. Go room by room, donating items you don't need and organizing the ones you keep. Emotionally release past hurts and grudges. Forgiveness doesn't condone the actions of others. It frees you from carrying their weight into the new year. Journaling or meditating on what you're letting go can be deeply cathartic. Decluttering also applies to your schedule. Eliminate commitments that drain your energy and focus on activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Simplifying your life creates room for the manifestations you desire. Visualization is one of the most effective tools for manifestation. It's about mentally experiencing your dreams as if they've already come true. Dedicate a few minutes daily to visualize your goals. Imagine the details vividly, the sights, sounds, and emotions of achieving your desires. If financial success is your aim, picture yourself confidently managing your wealth. Combine visualization with sensory elements. For instance, light a candle or play soothing music while you visualize to create a stronger connection to your intention. Consistency is key. The more frequently you practice, the stronger your belief in your vision becomes. This belief shifts your energy, aligning you with opportunities to turn your dreams into reality. Gratitude is a powerful way to attract more of what you desire. By appreciating what you already have, you open the door for greater abundance. Start a daily gratitude journal. List 3 things you're thankful for each morning or evening, and they don't have to be grand. Small joys like a kind word or a warm cup of coffee count too. Express gratitude for things you're manifesting even before they arrive. For instance, if you're manifesting love, say, "I'm grateful for the loving relationship entering my life." This practice affirms your belief in your manifestations, and gratitude also shifts your focus from lack to abundance, helping you maintain a positive outlook. This mindset is essential for aligning with the energy needed to manifest your dreams. Manifestation isn't just about visualizing and waiting. It requires taking inspired steps toward your goals. Break your intentions into actionable steps. If you're manifesting a career change, research opportunities, update your resume, or network within your desired industry. Follow your intuition when taking action. Sometimes unexpected ideas or opportunities will present themselves. Trust these nudges. They're often signs guiding you toward your goal. Celebrate small victories along the way. Acknowledging progress keeps you motivated and reinforces your belief in the manifestation process. Keep in mind that aligned action isn't about hustling endlessly. It's about working smartly and intentionally with faith that the universe is supporting you. Manifestation is a journey, and timing plays a crucial role. Sometimes what you desire doesn't appear immediately, and that's okay. Patience is key. Trust that the universe is aligning the right opportunities and resources for you. Delays often mean something better is on its way, or that you need to learn a lesson first. Stay committed to your intentions without obsessing over the outcome. Obsession can create resistance, blocking the flow of manifestation. Instead, remain open and adaptable. Recognize signs from the universe. These may come as synchronicities or unexpected opportunities that confirm you're on the right path. Trusting the timing keeps you aligned with your goals and reduces unnecessary stress. Affirmations are a powerful tool to reinforce your belief system and align your subconscious with your goals. When repeated with conviction, they act as a mental reset, steering your thoughts toward positivity and abundance. Start your day with affirmations tailored to your intentions. For example, if financial freedom is your goal, repeat phrases like, "I am a magnet for wealth," or money flows to me easily and effortlessly." The key is to phrase affirmations in the present tense, as if your desired outcome is already a reality. To amplify their effect, write your affirmations in a journal. The act of writing engages your mind and makes the affirmations feel more tangible. Combine this practice with visualization, imagining your affirmations as truths unfolding in your life. Consistency is critical. Set aside a specific time daily, perhaps in the morning or before bed, to focus on your affirmations. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset, paving the way for manifestation to occur more naturally. Manifesting miracles requires shifting from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. Your thoughts shape your reality, so focusing on lack creates more lack. Abundance, on the other hand, attracts more to be grateful for. Start by identifying limiting beliefs about what you're trying to manifest. Do you feel unworthy of financial success, love, or happiness? These beliefs act as roadblocks. Counter them with empowering statements like, "I am deserving of all the blessings coming my way." Surround yourself with positivity. This includes spending time with people who uplift you and consuming content that inspires and motivates you. Positive influences reinforce an abundant mindset, making it easier to stay aligned with your intentions. Practice generosity. When you give freely, whether it's your time, energy, or resources, you signal to the universe that you trust in the flow of abundance. This openness creates a cycle of giving and receiving, amplifying your manifestations. Gratitude is more than a fleeting feeling. It's a powerful energy that attracts miracles into your life. When you express appreciation for what you have, you naturally open the door for more blessings. Begin each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as a restful night's sleep or as significant as an unexpected opportunity. Writing them down reinforces your focus on positivity. Take it a step further by expressing gratitude for the things you're manifesting even before they arrive. Say, "I'm grateful for the financial freedom entering my life," or "I deeply appreciate the love and joy surrounding me." This practice strengthens your belief in the manifestation process. Gratitude also keeps you grounded. When challenges arise, reflecting on what's going well in your life helps you stay resilient. This balanced perspective ensures you remain aligned with your goals no matter what. Manifestation is a partnership between you and the universe. While your intentions and actions are crucial, trusting the universe's timing and wisdom is equally important. Sometimes what you desire doesn't arrive exactly when or how you expect it to. This isn't a sign of failure. It's often the universe preparing something even better. Practice patience and faith, knowing that everything is unfolding for your highest good. Look for signs that you're on the right path. These could be synchronicities, like hearing the same encouraging message repeatedly or meeting someone who offers valuable advice. These signs affirm that the universe is working behind the scenes on your behalf. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing control over the how and when while staying committed to your vision. This trust keeps you aligned with the flow of abundance and ensures your energy remains open to receiving. Manifesting miracles before 2025 is entirely within your reach, no resolutions required. By setting clear intentions, raising your energy, and trusting in the process, you can create a life filled with abundance, joy, and opportunities. This is your moment to step into a new year with confidence and clarity. Every action you take, no matter how small, contributes to the manifestation of your dreams. Trust yourself, believe in the possibilities, and watch how the universe responds. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights and inspiration. Let's make 2025 a year of extraordinary miracles.